This is the Frankenlust Township Nature Park. We have been coming here for quite a while. Plenty of trees and other plants to look at. Unfortunately, many of those are invasive species, which we're trying to do something about right now. So there's three of them right beside each other: buckthorn, autumn olive, and eastern red cedar. This work is being done through a Bay Area Community Foundation grant. We're collaborating with the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service and the Frankenlust Township to do this project. The Fish and Wildlife Service will come in and completely eliminate invasive species for a section of the park. After they've treated that area, we will also monitor the area to see if those invasives are coming back. The students that worked on this project will know how to fly a drone. They'll learn about plant identification, in particular invasive species and desirable species that are found here in the park.
Everywhere that's doing conservation work, they're looking for experience in GIS, GPS, and that this job kind of grants exactly that. The most I've learned is the drones, seeing as they're used a lot in geography and biology. I think that's probably one of the most knowledgeable experiences I've gained so far.
We are creating a long-term stewardship plan that will basically provide guidance to anybody in the future who's trying to control invasive species, plant native species, or other desirable species in the park.